In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start a new journey at Science World. Be ready for your new journey. Our topic today will be about why we can see through some objects but not others. We will explain and study together the difference between some objects and materials and why some of them allow us to see through them and why others didn't allow us to see through them. Our objectives for today: first one, why we can see through some objects but not others. Second one, there are three types of materials. The types of materials are three. First one is opaque, the darkest one. Second one, translucent or semi-transparent. Third one is transparent material. Here we will start to speak about the first one is opaque materials. Opaque materials don't allow any light to pass through them. All light that comes into contact with an opaque materials is either reflected or absorbed. Reflected or absorbed, but doesn't pass through it. Here, like we see in this picture, opaque materials make a shadow. When you shine light on them, here like this wood wall, here is shadow, here also this type of object make a shadow because they are opaque materials. Here also the apple is opaque material. Why? Because it doesn't allow the light to pass through. Here is the light and this is the apple. No light pass through it because the apple absorbed the sunlight or the light of any source. Here also cube from cloth. This type of cube is opaque material because it doesn't allow the light to pass through. Also, the door of your room is an opaque material. Also, the wall is opaque material. So if I asked you why I call these materials or these objects opaque materials, you will answer because it doesn't allow any light to pass through them. Second one, transparent materials. Transparent materials like glass. When light passes straight through material, that material is transparent material. Transparent material allow all the light to pass through, and also we can see things behind them clearly. Transparent material, you can see completely through them. For example, here this is transparent material because you can see the fish and water and also trees clearly. Also, clear water is transparent material. Here, clear plastic glass, also transparent material. Here also glass of water is transparent material. The third one is translucent materials. Translucent materials, only a part of the light can pass. That means a part of light, not all the light can pass through. Light rays separate in two different directions. We see colored objects through translucent materials. Like here, you cannot see the girl clearly. So, translucent materials allow us to see objects but not clearly. Also, colored glasses or colored materials like this are translucent materials. If you can see a part of the object or the object is not clearly. For example, also here, these glass colored objects are translucent materials. Here also translucent materials. And here colored glass also are translucent materials. Now the summary of what we explained before, translucent and transparent and opaque materials. Here is source of light, okay, from this side. The first one, all the light passes through, so we will call it excellent transparent material. The second one is translucent. Why? Because some light can pass through them, not all the light. The last one, as you can see, dark object or black object, is no light passes through it, so here should be a shadow. So transparent like this glass, we can see clearly. Translucent or semi-transparent, we see things but not clearly. Opaque material, we cannot see anything behind it because no light can pass through it. Your homework will be workbook page 81 and 82. At the end of our lesson today, thank you for listening. Have a nice day, my dear students. Goodbye.